Let's make it a little bit more complicated. Let's say that I have been tasked to do the following. Move an object from C1, D1, and again the shape is not really important. I show here a straight line, but it could have any shape. Shape is not really important. So I have been asked to move an object from this position to this position, again using the rotary motion of the motor, because every time our input is going to be the rotary motion of the motor, electric motor. So again, series of design steps, as you can see here. Let's not go into those. I'll just show you the mechanism in motion. Okay, I can move the object between C1, D1 to C2, D2. Okay, again, pretty simple concept. Okay. All right. There can be another solution doing the same problem, and let's look at this solution. Okay, again, I'm moving from C1 to D1, C1, D1 to C2, D2. And this is my another solution. This time, it is a little bit more complicated machine. As you can see here in the previous example that I showed you, I had only 4 linkages, 4 moving linkages. This is link 1, which is the whole blue link. This orange link is link 2. And this link, red link, is link 3. And obviously the ground link, because each machine has to be anchored to some fixed reference frame. So we always consider that anchored link as a ground link. So this is my ground link is link 4. So it consists only 4 linkages, 4 moving parts, and 3 moving parts, and one fixed link. So this is very simple design. Same thing I can achieve by a little bit making it more complex. Now it has many more moving parts. 5 moving parts and 1 fixed link. As you can see here, blue is 1 link, this brown is 2nd link, red is 3rd link, green is 4th link, orange, yellow is 5th link, and obviously the ground link, the fixed link. Okay. So again, I can perform the same task of moving an object from one position to another position by using this design. Okay. For example, you may ask why will I use this solution? A simple example could be, let's say, if you're designing a kind of a kitty bouncer that you see in front of these supermarkets, Walmart and Kroger. Let's say I put a kitty bouncer, let's say I attach the horse here. How do I draw a horse? Okay, something like that. This is this link. Anyway, I guess let's say how horse is attached to this link. If you look in the previous motion, if I attach that kitty bouncer to this this link, the blue link, because this is where I'm moving. So this is pretty boring motion. Kid probably won't enjoy it. You're not going to get many quarters out of that because just going back and forth, it's probably not very interesting motion. So you may decide to do the same thing using this solution. Like here, if you, this is a little bit more up and down, more interesting motion here. Right? It's not just simple circular motion. It's kind of a little bit more fun providing motion. So you may choose something like this. Or another application, let's say if you're designing, somebody asks you to design a windshield wiper. Okay. So you can connect this to some kind of windshield wiper and go back and forth. So there are many applications. These are just a few examples. All right. So this is this. Let's make it a little bit more complicated.